Hi guys, Nicole Boland here. Just wanted to welcome you all to my nursery. Jace, Harper, and Robin. Welcome to my reborn baby nursery. Thanks for watching. So, I've got some really exciting news for you guys. I am reborn baby pregnant, and I am super, super excited. It just happened by chance, like all reborn babies do for me. And I am just over the moon excited. He or she should be here tomorrow or Saturday. So hopefully we will be having a box opening soon, or we will be, but safe travels to the little one. And we will have a new addition to the nursery. I had some questions regarding Harper here. I did paint her. I also did mess up the top of her head, but that's why she's known as Bubble Baby. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share that news with y'all real quick. And Daddy does not know, so shh, it's a secret. Yeah, but he will know. So we'll see how that goes. You know, Daddy, he is like the reborn critiquer. He doesn't hold back when he shares his opinion of a reborn. So I will be sure to get that reaction for you. So wish me well, because I don't know. I know I love her, and I just gave it away. It's a girl. So there you go, guys. But I will keep the name a secret. It's a very, very special name. It's a name that some of you might recognize from way back. So I am super excited, and I just wanted to let y'all know we are reborn baby pregnant. Yay! So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.